gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome again to another episode of JVLOGS. I'm very tired right now. I just came off from work. Yes, I'm just gonna make this video. Don't mind the shirt, it's just bleach. Touch it, so I just working my shirt. I just working it still. Yeah. So I've been thinking about this last night, and I found it very funny that men are so skeptical, and a lot of people wouldn't believe that we are. But say for instance, you're in a club, as a man, you're in a club, and you know you're partying, you're dancing with females and stuff, and a female approach you, and out of nowhere she just say she want your number, and you know she's coming on to you like a man would normally come on to a woman. She's coming on to you, you know, she's giving you the vibe and everything, you know, asking for your number and hooking up with you and all that. She's pretty much giving herself to you. Now, as a man, we are skeptical in a sense where in our head we're saying that, wait, why is this girl coming on to me like that? Is she sick? Does she have something she want to give me? And you know, most time when a female asks you number and stuff like that, it's either she want to get to know you, or she just want to give you some sex because you're at a party or something. But you know, it's funny that men think like that, and the first thing that might come to her mind is that she might have some STD or some HIV, and she want to give us, or she want to cheat on her boyfriend. It's like we don't look at it as something, you know, we don't take the positive out of it at first, because we're not used to it as men. We're not used to be, we're used to being the one where we're the, how would I put it, we're the aggressor. We are the go-getter, we're the hunters, you know, we go after stuff. So now female come after us, we find it weird. It's like you catch us off guard, you know, it just have us thinking that probably just want to do something crazy. So, you know, for me personally, I've had that experience like years ago, like in high school, you know, females would like me and stuff like that. Yes, I know I'm ugly, whatever, but yeah, you know, handsome enough for females to, you know, come at me and stuff. I never take it too, you know, weird back then, and, you know, thinking that, because, you know, you're younger, you know, thinking about all these crazy stuff that, you know, females do nowadays. You know, you actually love that, you appreciate that female like you and stuff. I did, you know, I appreciate that female like me, and, you know, she willing to get to know me and stuff like that. She was the one coming after me, you know, you feel good, your ego, it boosts your ego and stuff. But I think now that we're mature, now that I'm mature, old and stuff like that, you know, you think twice when females come at you now, because nowadays, no offense to the females, a lot of females are loose, they're having unprotected sex, they're catching diseases and stuff like that, or, you know, they want to catch a man, or catch a baby daddy, or some crazy stuff that goes on nowadays. So for me personally, I'm skeptical now compared to back then. But let me know, all the men in my gingerbread, let me know, has this ever happened to you? How do you think you'd feel if this happened to you? How do you view it? Do you have the same view as me, where you're kind of skeptical and thinking, hey, she might be crazy, or, you know, something must be wrong when she's coming at me? Because we're the ones that always like go after females and try to get, you know, females' number and stuff like that. So tell me, and females, have you ever gone after a guy? You know, you go after a guy and get that guy for yourself and capture him, you know, and have him in your cage, you know, a cage of love. So let me know in the comments below if that has ever happened to you, and let me know what you think about the video overall. Thanks again for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Yeah, we're 200 finally. Yeah, it's almost a year. July the 30th will make 1 year since I've been vlogging, making videos on YouTube, and I want to do something special. I'm not sure yet, but I'm just thinking about some stuff. But yeah, thanks again. The journey continues, and a happy 1 year anniversary to JVLOGS and all the family, my gingerbread and jelly bean, you know. I don't want to get too much into that part, but yeah, leave a comment below. Remember to subscribe and share, people. Thank you. Remember to subscribe and share. Leave a comment, it's free. JVLOGS, I'm out. Dab. Oh God.